Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. All right, family, I hope everyone is doing well. I was able to get to sowing my cabbages up, you guys, and I did not fill up this whole raised bed with transplants. So what I did was I added some tender greens toward the back end, some seeds back there where I had okra growing, and hopefully I'll get some germination out of those seeds. Right now I am having some good luck with germination right now. I did sow seeds in a lot of my grow bags, but I had to do another round of seed sowing, which for some reason the seeds are germinating from the last week when I sowed some around the yard in the grow bags. Now, I don't know why, but for some reason I did have a good turnover with the seed sowing with the grow bags from last week's seed sowing. So that's probably like my third round of sowing seeds in the grow bags, which I did some lettuce, carrots, different brassicas in the purple bags as well as in my black bags. But I'll give you guys a tour on what's happening all around the yard eventually. But right now this is on the cabbage, and they're a little bit laggy, but they perking up. I'm going to water them again, and everything is doing really good over here as far as the collards. And remember I showed you guys on the last video this raised bed that I had no intentions on growing in, and I decided to just throw some seeds just to see what I could get out of it. And this bed germinated really well, and I didn't do a lot of amending in this bed other than slow release fertilizer. So this was actually very unexpected. So you guys, you still have time to sow seeds, and right now we're still probably high 80s. Our nights are starting to cool off. So when you do sow your seeds around this time, make sure you keep them watered. And I'm just really blown away on a lot of my seeds germinating. So since I'm over here, let me show you guys. I just did these within a few days ago, and I did the lettuce little gem over here, as well as the Japanese mustard over here as well. And I'm blown away on how these seeds germinated in this area. So even in this bag, I just got really great germination. And this is probably my second, I'm sure it's my second or my third round. I'm still waiting for this grow bag to pop up with some seedlings. I think I can see it just a little bit. But they trying to do something. But these didn't give me no problem. This is just a few days ago. So you guys, we still got some time to throw some seeds out. I don't know what your zone is. I'm 8A. And like I said, we're still warm throughout the day. Our nights are getting cooler, and it's been feeling really good in the evening time. So I did another round over here in this area, which is taking its time. I got a little bit of germination, not a lot, but these are actually starting to pop up, which I did the other day as well, a few days ago. And they are already popping through. So like I said, when you sow your seeds, keep them moist. Keep watering them. So still waiting on these two bags. And I think these two bags here, I threw out some more lettuce seeds in here, because I want to see something growing in them. So I don't want to keep waiting around to see if the seeds is going to germinate. So I threw some more in these two bags. So yeah, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. Cabbage, the collards. I may try to get to my right side of the grow area, but if I don't, I'm not gonna fret about it. I may try to do some more transplants, maybe in some more areas. I may even consider taking these black bags out of the buckets and probably just amend the soil in the bucket and get something growing in these buckets. I might even do that. But for the most part, I'm kind of content with what's happening right now. So what I'm going to do is use shade cloth on this side. I got to get that other shade cloth out so I can keep these covered up and somewhat protected, because we know that moth is going to be flying around laying eggs, and they're going to be trying to gnaw on the evergreens and things like that. And you know, once your cabbage starts to head up, they like to dig and burrow right into your cabbage. So I'm going to do my best to try to keep the cabbages protected. So yeah, you guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I hope everyone is doing well. And this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.